who joins us now from the BJP headquarters in Karnataka. I would imagine celebrations underway, Ritu, but of course they were hoping for a clean sweep. It hasn't quite turned out that way.
Yes, Shireen. In fact, the mood here is kind of sober compared to what we saw earlier in the day. Yes, from the numbers that have come in so far, and numbers are still trickling in, the Bharatiya Janata Party has emerged as the majority party for this state, for the 28 seats, Lok Sabha seats in the state of Karnataka. It has declared victory in Chitradurga and is leading in 15 others, whereas the JDS, which contested 3 seats, has been leading in at least 2 of them, with the Congress, the ruling party in the state, leading in another 10. So nowhere near the 2019 kind of sweep that we saw from the BJP. In terms of the big takeaways as well, big loss of face for Congress, for the likes of DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah, with Congress losing or rather trailing in both Mysore and Bengaluru rural constituencies. The Vokaliga and Lingayat votes in the rural part of the Karnataka, they've clearly worked out in favor of the BJP and the JDS and voted strongly against the Congress from the numbers that we've been seeing so far. For JDS, out of the 3 seats that they contested, and remember JDS is in alliance with the BJP in the state, they're leading in 2 with Mandya, with HD Kumaraswamy, and Kolar with Mallesh Babu. For Congress, it is states like Bellary, Bidar, Chikkodi and Gulbarga where the Congress has been leading, and for BJP, of course, like I said, 16 constituencies where they've been ahead. The big surprise coming in from Hassan, which is seen as a JDS bastion, where Prajwal Revanna, the sitting MP in the eye of the storm, facing multiple counts of sexual allegations, has actually been trailing, and Shreyas M. Patel from Congress leading there by a wide majority. I have in fact with me, some of the party workers from the Bharatiya Janata Party and the JDS to get a quick check. Ma'am, you're from the BJP. Just a quick word to our viewers. What is the mood here among the party workers? Is this the kind of numbers that, the party was expecting in the state?
This was not our expecting number, which we won, but still we are happy, and we are going to form the government in the central again. Narendra Modi ji will become a PM, and BJP will be forming the government.
Sure. Why do you think BJP was not able to deliver on as many seats as it did in 2019, like it was expecting it may have done this time as well?
It could be in between internal politics. I hope you know, when we expected the worst result when the MLA election is in the Karnataka, 130 seats won by Congress, that is only because of a freebies, not because of any promise. And today people are suffering because of that freebies, and now you can see the result. We won almost more than 15 seats MP in Karnataka, which people have showed, people have seen that what Congress government has delivered to the public. So we are very happy, and this JDS also we part of us, and they also have won. So we are very happy that we are going to, within 1 week, we are going to form the government in the central.
For JDS, out of the 3 seats you contested, you're only leading in 2. What do you think happened there?
Actually, we were expecting the 3 seats in Karnataka, but because of some issues that was going on the last moment, was a Congress government do some CD and all pen drive that issues, so that we have lost the 1 seat of in Karnataka.
Well, for our viewers, do keep in mind those allegations came to the fore after the voting had concluded in the constituency of Hassan. But that said, important numbers coming in from the state of Karnataka, a very crucial state for the Bharatiya Janata Party, seen as its gateway for its ambitions in the southern part of India. So numbers still trickling in. It's not done till it's done, but the BJP leading as of now.
Yes, it is on 17 seats in Karnataka, and the Congress leading in 9, the JDS in 2. But the exit polls were predicting a sweep for the BJP. It hasn't quite turned out that way. Let's go across.